In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to deploy Replit project on Vercel. By the end, you'll have your Replit project live on the web using Vercel with a clean connection to your GitHub repository so updates deploy automatically. Start by opening your project on Replit. Make sure you're in the project you actually want to deploy. On the left sidebar, open the Tools panel and the Files view so you can see your project structure. Next, scroll through the tools until you find the Git integration. If you don't see it immediately, use the search within the Tools panel to locate Git. This is where you'll connect your Replit project to GitHub, which is the bridge Vercel uses to import your code. In the Git panel, confirm that your project is linked to a GitHub repository. If it isn't connected yet, click the gear icon to open the connection settings. If you're prompted to sign in to GitHub, go ahead and sign in and approve the authorization so Replit can access your repositories. From there, either connect to an existing repository or create a new one directly from Replit. Commit your latest changes and push them so everything you see in Replit is reflected on GitHub. A quick check on GitHub is a good idea here. Open your repository and make sure your files and latest commits are present. Now head over to Vercel and sign in. If it's your first time, connect your GitHub account when prompted so Vercel can list your repositories. You'll see your repos appear. Select the one you just connected from Replit to begin the import. On the import screen, Vercel will usually auto-detect your framework and fill in the build command and output directory. Review these settings and adjust only if your project needs something specific. If your code lives in a subfolder, set the correct root directory. If your app needs environment variables, add them here so the build succeeds. When everything looks good, proceed with the import and deployment. Vercel will build your project and once it's done, provide a live URL you can share immediately. Open it to verify everything runs as expected. From now on, every time you commit and push to the connected branch on GitHub, Vercel will automatically trigger a new deployment, keeping your site up to date without any extra steps. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.